Alright, I'm Sean and this is my Ford Transit. I converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you know, last weekend I went away and had a really great time. But my van is missing one thing. Nowhere to sit. So this seat here is going to turn. I'm going to turn into a swivel seat. So I've got my swivel seat here. So let's unbox it. Wow, that's a heavy bit of kit. Wow, look at that. Look at that, that's a big bit of kit, isn't it? Cool. What have we got in here? Some instructions. Yeah. And some nuts and bolts. Right, okay. So I better get the tools out and get the seat out. Hopefully I ordered the right one. So let's go and grab some tools. Right, first things first, we're going to undo these, where are we? That bolt there and this one here. Maybe not. Maybe I'll put them in a bit too much. Okay, let's go again. Just going to crack these off. There. And this one. Right. Okay. Slide it forward. And we do the back. God. Yeah, I put them in, didn't I? I put a bolt underneath. Right. Coming out. Oh yeah. I think there might be a bit of spring on these. Yep. Right. Is that one? Seat right forward. There. Where's that going in? God. Put this camera down. Put it on its little tripod thing. Alright. There we go. Right. Well, that didn't take long, did it? So, look at that. I'm going to try and put the base on, see what it looks like. Okay, that's the way it fits. So I can only imagine that you pull this lever and, without cutting myself, which I think I'm gonna, it's quite sharp. Yeah, well, how's that open then? I thought that might just spin round. Just go that way, doesn't it? I suppose I better read the instructions. Right. It says here, the orange handle should point towards the front and centre of the vehicle. So it is now. Upwards. Swivels rotate towards the centre of the vehicle clockwise. So in all intents and purposes, that is it. So push. Oh, fuck, there you go. First cut. God. Yeah. But yeah. Right. Go and get some gloves, I think. Bummer. Right, here we go. Got some gloves. Shouldn't have just put them on in the first place, shouldn't I, really? Oh well. So why isn't that freely moving around then? Right, that's all it needs to do is to move around. So I suppose with the bolts given, these look like they're countersunk, so I can only imagine that it's these that go in there. Yep. Yep. Right. Usually put that one in. Okay. Now, it doesn't say. Okay. Right, so these ones. let's just do it. Well, that's loud, isn't it? Right. That is allegedly the base. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, seems alright. So let's put the seat back on. So I think what I'm going to do is going to just put one bolt in for the time being. There are some shorter ones here, so I can only imagine that they go in first because of the runner. Oh, actually, no. Because these are countersunk under here. Right, put that in there. It's fiddly. Right. This way and there. Oh, my finger's hurting. Okay. Ta-da! All done. Now, it's quite good. Very fiddly to fit if you are going to put a modified seat on, i.e. like I've got a Ford Focus seat on here. Very, yeah, it's solid and sharp. I mean, as you saw, I mean, I put a glove on. I should have put a glove on first, but we live and learn. So it doesn't lock there, which I suppose isn't too much of a problem, but it does lock all the way around. So for MOT purposes, that's hunky-dory, that's fine. So all in all, it was 116 quid. And it's a fast one, F-A-S-T, or it is. Yeah, I think, yeah. So I got it off of eBay. I'll put the link in the description. It's not too bad actually. I mean, the reason why I got it is because when I went away last weekend, I had nowhere to sit. So now I've got somewhere to sit. I can recline, still recline. happy days. Well, if I wanted to, I could have a little table here, couldn't I? So I think it's worked out pretty well actually, but this is the last time I'm going to spend any more money on this van. But yeah, I think it's a really, really good addition. Somewhere to sit, and yeah, I think it's cool. Anyway, as I said, I'll put a link in the description where I got it from, the eBay seller, eBay shop or whatever, item number, and you can go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching, cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.